You have knowledge worth sharing, and your course idea starts right here. Easy AI Course Creator helps turn what you know into a clear, practical online course. First, choose your audience and the exciting result you want to help them achieve. Next, organize your expertise into simple modules and focus lessons. Then, use guided AI support to shape your roadmap while keeping your unique voice. No complicated planning, and no more staring at a blank page. You stay in control, while AI helps you create structure, clarity, and momentum. Whether you're a beginner, an entrepreneur, an affiliate, or a coach, there's a simpler way to move forward. Turn scattered notes into a course plan your students can follow with confidence. Your idea is ready. Start building a course people will be excited to finish. Open Easy AI Course Creator today and turn your knowledge into your next digital product.